August 31st, 2013, Milwaukee, Wisconsin Avenue. There's Milwaukee Harley, my old Milwaukee Harley I used to manage.
I knew he has a beard.
Oh yeah, probably the hard checker guy.
Yeah.
August 31st, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the 110th Harley Davidson anniversary parade. Thousands of fires. Lots of partying, lots of rock and roll, country, girls in bikinis. We got a little jam up here.
Welcome home!
We got a jam up. We got a jam up. Debbie's watching the parade. Because she gets mad at me. Grab those motors! Grab it! Yeah! Woo! Grab them! Okay, shutting her down.